Hello and welcome back everybody. So how you can turn on sudo option, okay? How you can enable sudo in your Windows operating system, in your Windows 11 operating system. So how we can do that? Click on start bar, go to settings. Here you can see systems and there is an option for developers. Okay, click on for developers and slide down a little bit, and here you can see enable sudo. Enable sudo command. Running the sudo command could expose your device and personal data security at risk or harm your device. Okay, so this is a warning you can see here, and if you want to turn on, just turn on. So let's turn on, and when I turn on, it will ask for your permission, so say yes. And now the sudo is activated in your Windows. Configure how sudo runs your application. Okay, run applications in a window with input disable init. Okay, in a window. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.